Okay, I just put dry ice in the compartment over here. I've got a plastic window so we can see the activity. I have a sensor on top of the dry ice itself. I have a little fan in here which is not turned on at the moment, and the camera's on. I just put it in here. It is 12:48. Just for the heck of it, I'm going to start an exposure here. Again, I just plugged it in, and I'll just take a quick one just to get an initial starting point of what the temperature is inside the camera as the camera sees it. And now I'll start a set of 8-minute exposures. I have 3 temperature sensors. One is indicating that the camera is at 13 C. The other one's indicating the air temperature inside here, which says 8 C. And another one which indicates the temperature of the CO2, but I don't believe that's working right at the moment. I've had some trouble with that. Anyway, at this point I'm going to turn on the fan momentarily. And I've got that sitting at 12 volts. You'll see it's the air circulates around in here. No outside air gets in other than through leakage. And you can see there's a fair amount of leakage because this thing, well, most of it's coming out. At any rate, the air temperature now is -2 inside here. And we're going to sit there and see if we can get the sensor back working. There we go, -43 is the temperature. And it says 19 for the other one. And again, I've had trouble. All these things seem to be giving me issues with respect to the sensor and stuff. That might be right though. So we'll let it sit for a few minutes. As I said, it is 12:40, or no, 12:50, excuse me. And as soon as I see the temperature get down substantially on the actual internal temperature, I'm going to shut off the fan. Or at least turn it way down. There we go. 5. That sensor wasn't working either. 5, now it says it's 5 or 6 on the. I have a bracket that holds the camera, for an L bracket from Really Right Stuff that you put on a Arca Swiss type camera holder, and that bracket is mounted through the normal 1/4-20 spigot in the bottom, and it has another 1/4-20 spigot there, which I've then connected this little set screw to hold the camera firmly in place. And you can see, you know, this is actually a lot of dry ice is actually escaping here because of a lot of the CO2, I should say. So it's not really tight. So I'm going to fix that for a second. Maybe. Nice things about the dry ice is you can saw it extremely simply. Put it in a bandsaw or even a regular saw, and just it just melts in your. It's like butter, really. Now that doesn't help you either. I'm going to pause it now. We are at, I'll come back here in a second, we're at 12:52.